Hey guys, how you doing today? My name's Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, back at you. Here we have a Steelcase Gesture chair, and we're going to show you how to lube up a certain spot that tends to be the cause of creaks and moans with your chair. So we're going to lube up the bottom part here below the seat, kind of in the back part, just the back shell. Right there for you. We just have a little slide glide, but any petroleum jelly should work just fine. We want to get it nice deep in there. And a nice lather. That's really it. Give it a few test pushes, get it all in there. That's it, guys. Hopefully your chair will be silent now.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.